We'll guide you through how to change text direction in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want more control over how text appears in Adobe Photoshop. Changing text direction is useful for creative layouts, posters, and social media designs. Beginners especially look for simple guidance to create vertical or unique text styles without confusion or advanced design knowledge. First, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer to begin the process. Click the Windows Start button, then type Adobe Photoshop in the search bar so you can quickly find the application. When it appears in the search results, click Open to launch the program and wait for it to fully load. After the workspace is ready, click File in the top menu, then select Open to import your image or document into the project. Browse your files, choose the one you want to edit, and then click Open to place it on the canvas. Next, select the Type tool, T, from the left toolbar so you can start working with text. Click anywhere on the canvas and type your desired text if you have not added any yet. Once your text appears, move your attention to the top menu and look for the text orientation icon, which looks like a letter T with arrows indicating direction. Click this icon to quickly switch between horizontal and vertical text direction depending on your design needs. Alternatively, you can go to the top menu, click Type, then select Orientation, and choose either horizontal or vertical from the available options for more precise control. After adjusting the text direction, reposition the text by selecting the Move tool, V, then click and drag the text to the desired location on your canvas until it looks properly aligned. When you are satisfied with the placement and orientation of your text, proceed to save your work by clicking File, then selecting Save As from the drop-down menu. In the Save options, choose PNG format to ensure the transparent background is preserved if needed. Carefully type your file name to avoid mistakes. Then click Save to continue. A final settings window may appear, so review it briefly and click OK to complete the process. Following these steps in order will help you successfully change text direction and save your edited image correctly.